The Keychron K3 version 2 offers a compelling option for those looking for a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard, especially for Mac users, without compromising on key features. Its low-profile design ensures comfort, even during extended typing sessions, without the need for an additional wrist rest. This makes it a versatile choice, whether you're typing at a desk or on the go. However, while the design is sleek, the typing experience might not be as impressive as more premium models. The keys can feel a bit wobbly, which might be a deal breaker for those who prioritize precision in their typing experience. Additionally, the ABS plastic keycaps, though functional, tend to develop a shiny, slippery surface over time, which detracts from the overall feel. The build quality, though solid, isn't quite as refined as higher-end models. Despite this, the Keychron K3 still manages to stand out with its aluminum chassis, which keeps the deck stiff and minimizes flex during use, providing a sturdy feel that you typically only see in more expensive keyboards. For users who might want to experiment with different switches, the Keychron K3 offers a hot swappable version, allowing for customization of the typing experience. Alternatively, the non-hot swappable version provides a more budget-conscious option. Another standout feature of the K3 is its compatibility toggle that allows seamless switching between macOS and Windows. It ships with Mac-specific keycaps and offers full support for VIA software, giving users the ability to customize key assignments, adjust backlighting, and create macros for a personalized experience. This level of customization is rare at this price point and adds significant value to the overall package. On the connectivity side, the K3 shines with its Bluetooth multi-device pairing capability, making it a solid choice for those who switch between devices frequently. It supports up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it incredibly convenient for multitaskers. While its raw performance is solid, it may not be the best choice for high-end gaming or intensive entertainment setups, where more specialized keyboards might shine. For macOS users, the Keychron K3 version 2 presents a solid, well-rounded mechanical keyboard at an accessible price. While it may not be the absolute best for gaming or heavy typists, it strikes a balance between functionality, design, and cost, making it a top choice in the budget mechanical keyboard market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.